Formula One drivers receive significant pay packages based on their prowess and prestige, and these huge payouts are provided to the track year after year. Not only is Formula One the best motorsport, but it is also the priciest. The richest people frequently invest in opulent dream car. Carlos Sainz Jr., better known as the son of the renowned Carlos Sainz Sr., a former Red Bull Academy driver and two-time World Rally champion. The following events show how Carlos Sainz used his millions. Let's explore Carlos Sainz's opulent way of living. Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. So today, we'll talk about what is Carlos Sainz's net worth and how extravagant is his lifestyle. See how he spends his millions on luxuries. But before we move forward with our video, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon for further updates on future videos. Let's get started on our mysterious topic for today without further ado. Alongside fellow rookie Max Verstappen, Sainz Jr. made his Formula One debut at the start of the 2015 season with Scuderia Toro Rosso, now Scuderia AlphaTauri. Sainz was a member of Red Bull's team of young drivers. After Russian Daniil Kvyat was called up to Red Bull to replace Sebastian Vettel, both young hotshots were elevated to the F1 seats. Carlos Sainz Jr. started driving at age 8 after being inspired from his father, Formula One driver Carlos Sainz Sr. Sainz Jr. subsequently competed in karting from age 10 to 16 and was signed as a Red Bull Junior in 2010. Carlos Sainz is the current Formula One driver who has demonstrated the most development in his work ethic and drive for success. It speaks something about Carlos Sainz's track prowess that he battled his way to the top and secured a spot with Scuderia Ferrari for the 2021 season. Spanish racing driver Carlos Sainz competes in Formula One for the Ferrari F1 team. Carlos Sainz, a Madrid native, started his career in karting. Carlos Sainz finished second in the European KF3 Championship in 2009. While also winning the coveted Junior Monaco Kart Cup. Carlos Sainz currently has a net worth of $47 million. Carlos Sainz's current Ferrari team contract includes a yearly salary of $10 million, making him one of the highest paid drivers on the grid. Carlos Sainz was raised in an affluent household and has always lived a luxurious existence. Carlos Sainz is anticipated to remain with the Ferrari F1 team for a few more years, which means he will receive a salary increase of a few million euros. When Carlos Sainz's Ferrari contract expires, his net worth is anticipated to surpass $100 million. Carlos Sainz's tenure at McLaren helped him acquire 2 of the 4 vehicles in his collection. Soon after joining the British squad, he bought a 710-horsepower McLaren 720S. Worth over $300,000 and capable of reaching speeds of 212 miles per hour. He also has a 592 brake horsepower, $240,000 McLaren 600 LT Spider in his collection. Sainz's automobile collection is unavoidably as desirable as his Ferrari F1 seat itself, since he represents a team that is as legendary and adored as is. However, it might not be as substantial as you'd anticipate. Sainz has acquired at least 2 Ferrari road cars of his own, an 812 Competizione and a Roma, since joining the Italian company at the start of last year. The powerful 6.5-liter V12 that powers the bespoke 812 generates a staggering 830 horsepower. His annual compensation was enhanced by the agreement from $6 to $8 million at Ferrari and McLaren, respectively, to $8 to $9 million, minus performance bonuses and sponsorship payments. As of the 11th race of the 2022 Formula One season, Sainz's estimated net worth is allegedly in the range of $47 million. Ferrari's newest front-engined Grand Tourer, the Roma, has a 3.9-liter V8 turbo under the hood that makes a rather meager 612 horsepower. The $218,000 base price tag on what looks to be Sainz's everyday cruiser, often seen parked outside the F1 paddocks, would undoubtedly not be associated with the word everyday for the general public. He disclosed in a recent interview that he had been operating a Volkswagen Golf GTI that his parents had given him for his 18th birthday. Around the time of this year's Miami Grand Prix, he is said to have switched to the aforementioned 812 Competizione from the sports car. Impressing the crowd is where Carlos Sainz shines brightest. The F1 Pro is also reaping benefits from his expanding popularity and fan base. Sainz has a number of sponsorships to his name, all thanks to his burgeoning fame. Ferrari, Shiseido Men, Estrella Galicia, and PlayStation all sponsor Carlos Sainz. The high-end timepieces in his collection are by Frank Muller, Roger Dubois, Speak Marine, Bouvet Fleurier, and FP Journe. Carlos Sainz's trademark is a high-end way of life. He also receives income from endorsements and brand deals, which raises his net worth and enables him to lead a lavish lifestyle. In F1, Sainz is now tied for 8th place on the list of highest-paid drivers with Kimi Räikkönen, Lance Stroll, and Valtteri Bottas. Additionally, the Spanish driver makes money from a number of sponsorships. The following vehicles are included in Carlos Sainz's collection. Million-dollar vehicles include the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, McLaren 720S, Bentley Continental GT, Ferrari Roma, and Ferrari 812. Carlos Sainz finances his opulent lifestyle in this way. His over-the-top interests include yachts and aviations. This video has come to an end, and I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click the bell icon to get alerts when new content is posted. Please leave a remark with your ideas. Till then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you all in the following one. Please share your thoughts in the comment area. Take care of yourself till then, and I'll see you in the next one.